Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got a bit of a special one for you. On this farm just outside Christchurch in Dorset is a classic 1960s car, quite a rare one as well. It's been off the road for a number of years, going to need a bit of love of TLC. Am I the guy to get it back on the road and drive it 600 miles? No, I'm not going to do that. It's actually about 2 miles from my house. So when it came up on Marketplace I just had to come and have a look at it. It's over there in that barn. Shall we have a look? So to the average viewer, this is a Austin 1300, but it's not. It's a Raleigh Kestrel. The name Kestrel is nothing new. It actually dates back to the 1930s and can be found on cars like the Raleigh 9 or Raleigh Kestrel 9. This is, however, the last time the Kestrel name will be used on a car. Quite a splendid thing, I think. Should we take a closer look and get out of this rain because it's chucking it down. Right, so the purists, I imagine, are now screaming at the TV screens. This is not the original engine. It's had a swap at some point in its life, but it is over 60 years old, so you've got to expect it really. So this would have left the factory with an A-Series 1275 engine, which this is, but this is a later one out of a Metro. You can tell instantly it's got a different carburettor. I believe we have electronic ignition. Oh dear. But less to go wrong, I guess, although this isn't currently running, so we're going to try and get this started today. So inside it's pretty much standard, all a bit tired sadly, but not sure those seats are original. They might be out of a abandoned Playa Allegro, not sure. That is the original steering wheel. I wasn't convinced when I first saw this. I thought, oh, that's a cool aftermarket thing, but apparently that was the thing, guys. Doing some googling, I found other pictures of Raleigh Kestrels with the same steering wheel, so yeah, it's just all a bit tired, but it'll go again. Sadly no headlining, that's a shame it's gone, but we have got a few spares luckily. There's a sill panel there, some trim pieces, another back seat. I won't open the door, but actually let's just try opening it. That could do some more. It's fairly solid actually, considering its age. Obviously the suspension is a bit drum and bass at the moment, but there's a pump for that. Look how original it is. There's your electronic SU fuel pump, spare wheel, tools, yeah, jack and tools. Good times. Will it start? Yeah, I think a worthy project. Paintwork's not too bad. It's a bit crazed along the top of the doors. There's a couple of patches at the bottom of the door on that side's blowing out, but it's all there. It's all doable. Very changeable weather, guys. It's been beautiful all day. Typically by the time I got in this afternoon we've been met with heavy downpours, but we need to crack on because I need this car to start. Right, because the weather is crap, I've got the camera in the back of the Polo. I'm going to use it as a makeshift camera stand. So you keep dry while I get wet. Make sure it's out of gear. Hello. Probably not the best place for you to be, buddy. Go on, move the other way, go on. Go join your brothers. Right, are you 13mm1/2 inch? Of course you are. Yeah, I think I'll just change this coil over. Oh, put it back, it doesn't make a difference. Of course, you don't know what's happened in the past. The ignition might have been left on, coil might have been burnt out. But we are getting fuel. So I actually came down the other day and met this for the first time. And we checked over the basics, and there's definitely fuel getting up to the car. We can smell it. So I don't think it's a fueling issue. There's just no electricity. Yeah. We've got 7mm. Right. Let's see. Blue lead to the. Yeah. Yes. What could I do wrong? I think that's the right way around. Right. Unfortunately, none of this wiring is any good. It's all pretty poor. Stay there. Put the tools away. Where's that ridiculously oversized battery now? Quick fire test. Nothing's caught fire. The wires to the fuse box look alright. What I can do is try, I suppose. Lights? Nothing. I don't think we're getting spark, guys, so I just remembered these are got electronic ignition, so it might have an, yeah. I'm starting to think it might be the ignition module. Seeing as it's got electronic ignition, it's not supposed to. Have we got spark? No. I think that ignition module might be the cause. Come on, old girl. Yeah, we're just not getting spark, guys. So the problem is purely ignition, I think. Yeah, so sadly, I don't think it's going to start today. Also, this weather is just totally random. Blue sky again now. What a beautiful sunset. What couldn't have been like that earlier? British weather. I'm going to leave it here, guys. Lewis has very kindly offered to transport this car to my house, so we haven't got the hassle of having to move it ourselves. That's one less headache, so big thank you to Lewis for that. I'm going to get out of that sun. So I'm going to leave it here for this video, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching. There'll be more content on the Riley coming soon. When it's been dropped off and the big investigation starts. What is causing this car not to start? I'm pretty convinced it's that ignition module, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. I shall see you soon for more content on the Riley and the Allegro and the Polo. Oh, we've got a bit of a fleet going on now, haven't we? Right, take care, see you soon.